My name is Chris.Krizmanic. My topic is porous concrete pavement. Basically, what is porous concrete pavement? It's pavement that allows precipitation and surface water to percolate to the pavement into the underlying soil. Porous concrete pavement was first used in 1852 when it was used as insulation in Europe. Basically, water flows into the voids and percolates right into the underlying soil. We're going to see a short video clip just to give a good example of what exactly it can do. So as you can see, as soon as the water stops flowing, it completely gets off the road. Alright, so then we'll get back into the properties of porous concrete pavement and how it differs from normal Portland cement. The biggest thing is that it has voids. 20 to 35% voids, whereas normal concrete has none. Therefore, the unit weight is obviously quite a bit less. Drainage is 2 to 18 gallons a minute. Normal concrete has none. And the compressive strength is substantially less. Composition basically looks like a big Rice Krispie treat in the left-hand corner. You can see the basic composition, the aggregate void space, cementous material that goes around it. It's basically composed of rounded or angular aggregates, contains little or no sand, which is very important for the voids, and controlled amounts of water and cementous material are used to kind of create a paste. Construction, very simple. Basically, it's just struck off and then slightly compacted using these rollers. There is no troweling or vibrating to clog up the pores. That's very important. Advantages: stormwater management. It's considered a best management practice by the EPA. Pollution management. It reduces chemicals in the water, thermal pollution, heat island effect, as well as dampened sound on roadways. It also offers groundwater recharge by water percolating into the groundwater below. Economic benefits: reduce the stormwater drainage system. And sustainability, which is a big buzzword right now. You can actually earn LEED certification points by using this product. In addition, also improves driver safety by reducing hydroplaning and improves traction. Disadvantages: life expectancy. It's greatly reduced with heavy loads. It hasn't been really seen very widely in highway construction, mostly like around home sites and so forth. Pollution management: it has to have a good maintenance program, organic material in the soil to break down the pollution, as well as a highly permeable soil and sub-base material. And it also has climate limitations. It doesn't do very well along coastal or beach settings because of the sand clogging the pores, as well as in colder climates where they use snowplows for grading the pavement and the sand for the ice. In addition, clogging is really a big problem. They recommend a 25-foot vegetative strip in areas that convey flows onto the pervious pavement, and followed by a very stringent maintenance program, which I won't get into much detail, but basically you have to clean it out like 3 or 4 times a year, vacuum it, and then if certain areas get clogged, you may have to replace it. And the costs that I found were about $200 per acre per year per $1,999, and I think that's probably being kind of conservative. I would assume it's a lot more than that. Cost: porous concrete base costs about 25% more than regular concrete. However, it's offset by not needing curbs, gutters, storm drains, or retention ponds. And some communities reduce their stormwater fees. However, correct site preparation may also increase these costs. Pervious pavement in Las Vegas, I only found one location where it's actually used as the entrance into the MGM residence towers. However, through my research, I would not recommend pervious pavement for Las Vegas for 3 reasons. 1, rainfall events are less than 1 inch. There's a high potential of clogging because we live in a desert, lots of sand, wind that can clog the pores, and there's no apparent benefit to groundwater recharge. Our groundwater table is approximately 300 feet below the surface, and there's a highly impermeable caliche layer that's above it. That's my presentation. Thanks.